See, it's not working. It's completely off. I think the battery is dead. Need to get a new battery. It's already 3:11. I think I have to arrive at Bank of India, Kottapet, as soon as possible to withdraw my money. I don't have enough money in my pocket to purchase a new one. Yagna. So this is the old one and this is new one, which is cost of 1850 after giving the previous one. అసలు మొత్తం దుమ్ములో ఉండదు సార్ కెమెరా అంతా. మన మాటలు కూడా రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది అయితే ఎందుకు మరి బూత్ పంచాంగం మొత్తం బయటికి అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. Hey guys, right now I'm heading towards Uppal. I just have to take a product. It's a package. Oh my god, it's better I choose another way. So one of my friend is waiting nearby. I have to pick him up and let's start the ride. I don't know where is this fellow. I don't see him. పెట్టారా కదా.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack.
రిసిప్ట్ చూపిస్తే ఏవో పార్సెల్స్ వస్తాయి ఇక్కడ. అది ఏడైనా అర్థమైంది వస్తలేదు. ఇక్కడైతే జాగలేదు. ఇప్పుడు పోస్టల్ ఎట్లా, పోస్టల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ తెలుసు కదా, అట్లనే ఇది ఒక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డెలివరీ గవర్నమెంట్కి రిలేటెడ్. ఏదో డిపో దగ్గరనే ఏడ ఇస్తాడు బ్రో, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ వస్తలేదు. ఏడిస్తాడేమో, అన్ని పార్సెల్లు ఉంటాయి. ఈడున్నాడు ఈడేనా ఆడా అర్థమైంది వస్తలేదే బ్రో. గదా ఇదా ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగు, అది టెల్ యూ. ఒక రిసిప్ట్ చూపిస్తే ప్యాకేజ్ ఇస్తా. ఇంకో ఇట్లా రిసిప్ట్ ఉంటుంది. అది ఇదా అర్థమవుతలేదు. ఇది కాదు. ఇంకో ఇది చూపి ఇదా. అది చూపి ఇస్తాడు. Finally received the package. We are just moving towards Decathlon Uppal. There are a couple of people out there waiting for us. They are looking for a new cycle, maybe for exercise, I don't know. So we are going to meet them and have some fun over there, get back to our home. Oh, next level. My god, almost 70% of the landscape was occupied because of this underwork privilegization. Whoa, let's try another way. Yeah, it's supposed to be a beautiful way. Somehow it turned into ugly, highly polluted area too. And this route has a long history of worse traffic conditions. ఈడైతే అప్పటికెళ్ళి ఇంటలేడు. అదే కదా రే. ఓరోడు మంచి జోరు మీద ఉన్నాడు. డెకాథ్లాన్ Where is Decathlon, bro? This big. ఇగో దీని పక్కన ఉంటుంది చూడు. అయ్యో it's very hard to find a U-turn here. We need to take a long way of distance. Of course we can somehow get into my friend. ఆడుంది yeah there is a బా ఏ ముమ్మినవరా బల్గం మొత్తం బయటనే ఉంది. Right now my bike is showing very low fuel. Hyundai showroom ఎప్పుడు పడ్డదేమో. It's getting better and better day by day. Left. Like almost 2 years I didn't came to this Decathlon. It's been so long.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end.
Bro, ఏడుంది bro మాస్టర్ చెప్పు.
But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Oh my god, too much wind, dude. Too much. I'm not even traveling at high speed, just 60 kilometers per hour. Even though I'm facing so much of wind. Right now I have to go for Kamineni hospital near LB Nagar circle. There is my brother-in-law is waiting, holding a number of beers. I need to take them too. It's already late, but it's okay since 4. There's a high-speed traveler. I don't think I can catch him at this current situation. If it was possible, I can show you. Right, going to. I think I lost him. I found him on other side of the road. I just have to take a U-turn right now. I don't see any bag. How come he has brought all those beer bottles? On top of that, the room where I am going to have a beer doesn't have a defreeze or anything. Mama, acheshna. Da. ఓహో ఈడు చూడు I don't know what happened today. I keep on using cuss words. Of course, I'm going to use the beep sound, or else I will cut the video at that particular part.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.